Hello and welcome back. Welcome back now. Pantomime at Venue Cymru. Well, this year it's going to be Aladdin. So let's see. Let's go back over what we need to put on the pantomime. We need costumes. We need scenery. Oh, and we need a script. Now, a script, that's the story of Aladdin, the fairy tale. But there's also the words that the actors say. So that's dialogue. So you'd write your dialogue for the different characters. Let's think. We've got Aladdin, of course. We've got Aladdin. Oh, and there's Widow Twankey. There's a funny word, isn't it? Widow Twankey. Well, do you know what? About 100 years ago, they decided that they would call the pantomime dame Widow Twankey after a tea in China. Twankey tea. That's funny. And then you've got, the princess, of course. Oh, and the baddie. Now, don't forget, the baddie in Aladdin is called... No. It's not Jafar. I'm sorry, no. Mr. Disney called him Jafar. We call him Abanazar. Not Ava Banana, Abanazar. We've been calling him that for 100 years, Abanazar. And the other funny man that you've got in the pantomime is Wishy Washy. That's Aladdin's brother, Widow Twankey's son. Now, you see, as Widow Twankey, well, I'm a widow woman and I had a husband. He was a funny man. He was a very funny man. His name was Frankie Twankey. He was very swanky. It was Frankie Twankey. But do you know what? We were always poor. Do you know, he went into business with a Dutchman. They went into business to invent inflatable shoes. It was going all right until he popped his clogs. Oh, but you know, we're so poor. We're still poor. We were so poor, I used to wait outside KFC so I could lick his fingers. Tell you what, I bet you could write better jokes. I bet you could write jokes for the pantomime. In which case, why don't you write your jokes down and put them into the comments section underneath this video, or direct message them to Venue Cymru, Wishy Washy's jokes. Oh, that'd be brilliant. Anyway, I've got to go. I'll see you later. Bye. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye.